Imagine this. It's a busy weeknight, your stomach's growling, and you're craving something crispy, delicious, and guilt-free. Takeout sounds tempting, but you want a meal that's healthier, quicker, and just as satisfying. Enter this Chefman air fryer, 4-quart compact air fryer, a kitchen game changer that delivers mouth-watering results with minimal effort. Whether you're a novice cook or a seasoned foodie, this air fryer makes every meal a breeze, and I'm here to tell you why it's worth every penny. From the moment I unboxed this sleek, matte black beauty, I knew it was something special. Its compact design fits perfectly on my crowded countertop, yet its 4-quart capacity is generous enough to feed 2 to 4 people with ease. Whether it's golden French fries, juicy chicken tenders, or even a batch of roasted veggies, this air fryer handles it all like a pro. Let's dive into what makes the Chefman air fryer a must-have for anyone who loves quick, healthy, and delicious meals. Why the Chefman air fryer stands out. High-fry technology for extra crunch. Ever wish your air-fried foods had that just right crispiness? The 450-degree Fahrenheit high-fry feature kicks in during the final 2 minutes of cooking, giving your fries, wings, or nuggets an irresistible crunch that rivals deep-fried favorites. I tried it with chicken tenders, and let's just say my family fought over the last piece. Fast and foolproof. Cooking. With 4 preset functions, fries, chicken, veggies, and more, you don't need to be a chef to nail every dish. The digital touchscreen lets you tweak time and temperature with precision, or you can tap a preset and walk away. Dinner for 4 in under 20 minutes? Yes, please. Healthy eating. Made simple. Craving fried food without the guilt? This air fryer uses little to no oil, cutting down on fat while keeping flavors bold and textures crisp. I whipped up a batch of zucchini fries that were so tasty my kids didn't even notice they were eating veggies. Easy view window for perfect results. No more guesswork. The integrated window lets you peek at your food as it cooks, ensuring it's perfectly crispy every time. Watching those fries turn golden brown is oddly satisfying, and it saves you from opening the basket and losing heat. Effortless cleanup. Hate scrubbing pots and pans? The non-stick basket and rack are dishwasher-safe, making cleanup a total non-issue. Even the exterior wipes clean with a damp cloth, keeping that chic matte black finish looking pristine. Space-saving design. Small kitchen? No problem. This air fryer's slim profile maximizes capacity without hogging counter space. It's like the TARDIS of air fryers, bigger on the inside. Safety you can trust. With automatic shutoff technology, the fryer powers down when cooking's done or if you remove the basket. It's a worry-free feature that's perfect for multitasking parents or anyone prone to kitchen distractions. Guilty. My experience, a week with the Chefman air fryer. To put this air fryer to the test, I used it every day for a week, and it didn't disappoint. On Monday, I made crispy sweet potato fries that were a hit with my picky eater. Tuesday was all about chicken wings, juicy inside, crunchy outside, and zero oil splatter to clean up. By Friday, I was experimenting with homemade donuts. Yes, it can do that. And the results were bakery-worthy. The shake notification was a lifesaver, reminding me to give the basket a quick toss for even cooking. Every dish came out perfectly, and I spent less time in the kitchen than ever. What really won me over was how intuitive it is. The touch controls are responsive, the presets are spot on, and the easy view window let me keep an eye on my food without interrupting the cooking process. Plus, the dishwasher-safe basket meant I wasn't stuck scrubbing grease after dinner, a huge win for my post-meal Netflix binge. Who needs this air fryer? The Chefman air fryer is perfect for busy families, small households, or anyone who wants restaurant-quality meals without the hassle. If you're juggling work, kids, or a packed schedule, this air fryer's speed and simplicity will be your new best friend. It's also a fantastic choice for health-conscious foodies who want to enjoy fried foods without derailing their diet. Even college students or apartment dwellers with tiny kitchens will love its compact size and versatility. Why it's worth the investment. At its price point, the Chefman 4-quart air fryer delivers incredible value. You're getting advanced features like high-fry technology, a user-friendly interface, and durable construction backed by a 1-year assurance from Chefman. Compare that to pricier models, and it's clear this air fryer punches above its weight. Plus, the health benefits of oil-free cooking and the time you'll save make it a no-brainer for anyone looking to simplify their kitchen routine. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.